Hey guys, our channel here is pretty random. If y'all haven't noticed, animals, barbecue. Now I'm going to talk about our truck. Got this truck about 2.5 years ago, right after the COVID thing. It's a 17 model. Only had 60,000 miles at the time, but it's got 100 on it now. But I'm trying to take care of this thing. It's the Hemi, so I was worried about the Hemi tick. So I did some homework on it, and I ended up buying the Holly Diablo, I think it is, piggyback computer to go on it. So with the cruise control buttons, I can turn off the 4-cylinder cutoff system on it. They said that's what's creating the cams in the lifters to go out. I just keep it on stock with the cutoff thing on there. Between doing that and changing my oil up to 5W40 instead of the 040 they recommend, it doesn't click when it first cranks up or tap. It sounds really good, runs good. But the next issue is all this talk about the recall on the HCU units on the brakes. When we first got this truck, we had it just for a few months, and sure enough, the analog brake lights came on, and when it does that, you have no four-wheel drive, no cruise control, and it beeps at you nonstop. So I panicked and took it to the Dodge house. And of course, right at the aftermath of the COVID stuff, there was no parts. The service guy said they didn't know when they could get to it, didn't know anything. But I was going to show you, I saw some guys on a video today. I kept my HCU unit and I took it apart, my old one that I took off. I took it apart, and sure enough, the brushes stick in there. I owned it out before I took this motor apart, and the springs are collapsed or compressed in there, and they don't even touch, so they stick. And when it sticks, it doesn't work, and that's the problem. So when the recall happens, I'm still going to take mine in to get it replaced because I bought the part off eBay back then, and I still don't trust the one I've got on there, and I better take it in. But I'm going to mark mine with a little bit of paint or somewhere to make sure that this thing is changed under recall. Then I'll try to claim some kind of weird software update or something. So if y'all don't trust the dealerships, may want to do the same thing. So just trying to keep this truck running. We'll keep it for a while. So guys, appreciate it.